My name is Paula Khan, and I've lived in my home here for about 14 years. From the beginning of living here, we began to dream of what we would want differently. I'm an occupational therapist, but I've been home primarily with the children for now. My husband and I thought, well, while you're still not working, maybe it's a good idea to consider doing some kind of renovation that I could oversee while I don't have another full-time or part-time job. We began the process with Julia, and we went through a number of different drawings and iterations of how are we going to get all the things we want. First, we thought we're adding on to the house, but we didn't realize if you're going to add on to build, say, our master bedroom. Again, we decided we want to focus our life on the backyard. And like right now, well, the backyard is fenced on half of it. And so the idea is to open up and have the fence for the whole yard and use the whole backyard as part of the home more. So we thought about building on a new addition to make it kind of an L shape. It's gone beyond our expectations, and really that feeling that we wanted from the very start, you feel when you walk in. We made a lot of changes. And we started, I'm gonna just start and tell you about when you walk in the front door. We have a new front door. It's wood, we're looking at the materials now, so keep note of that. So we walk now into our home. It used to be, it felt so cramped and there was no place to put belongings. The stairs are really kind of right in front of the doorway, so it was very small space that led to a small hallway to the dining room, which then attached to the kitchen, a little galley type long kitchen. That was just a little doorway to that, and then the dining room connect to the living room by a little doorway. It was kind of dark in the home. So when you walk in the foyer, the first thing now that you notice is the spacious feeling. One thing you'll notice in the home is that in the bathrooms, we chose to do all the same tile and the same stone for the countertops. And even in the bathtub, there's stone, and it just came together so beautifully. We walked in, we're in the foyer, gorgeousness. Now it's an open, spacious walkway instead of a narrow hallway to get to the kitchen. And instead of you'd be walking into the dining room before, now the dining room is the kitchen. And it is, instead of a galley, little narrow kitchen that really was only comfortable for one person to be in cooking. And as more people, it got uncomfortable. So now we made it so that we can comfortably fit 6 people, 8 people. There's more counter space that's worked out enough that we can all be cooking something together, or people can eat. We made an island. We didn't have an island. We made an island, and we have bar stools, and so it just changed the whole dynamic of our kitchen. we had walls in between the kitchen, the dining room, and the living room, and now it's open, and it's an L-shaped thing instead of chalked up. I love it. It really feels that I'm not alone in the kitchen cooking things. I can be with everybody, and I love that. And the way that the food is the kitchen really became this heart of the home. We before just had one space that would be a living room or den, and now we have like a sitting room, a front living room, and a more cozy spot. Now our bedroom is on the main level, and the two boys who share the upstairs and one bathroom. And so my husband and I are so excited because we have our own bathroom. We've been sharing for 14 years our bathroom with our babies. And it was beautiful, but we're really excited. We built a gorgeous, gorgeous bathroom as attached to our bedroom. And it feels like we're at a spa every day now. And also, part of the dream for me was to be able to have a deck off of our bedroom. I highly recommend fine craft to my neighbors and friends whenever we've had a number of questions. That's how good they are. That's the good that fine craft did. Their work sings. It's just been such a pleasure. We're really grateful.